Who just texted me? Ugh, this is so inconvenient. Oh, no one texted me. It was just Siri reminding me something. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Sorry for the buzzing noise. It's the fluorescent lights above me. What are you gonna do, you know? Anyway, today I have my senior pictures, which, you know, if you don't know what that is, I don't even know what that is. But basically, what happens is, for most seniors in high school, it's like a huge thing, especially for the girls. I mean, I guess it's fun, you know, getting your picture taken professionally while you're wearing like some sort of little cutesy dress. But basically, mine is happening today. We scheduled it like literally a week ago because I initially was like, I'm not gonna do this because I don't really need senior pictures. Like photo shoots, yes, that appeals to me, but specifically labeling it senior pictures, that I just don't like that. But we scheduled it because I needed one to submit to this thing, and I was like, well, that's gonna look awkward if I don't have one. And I'm just getting ready for it. I'm doing my makeup, and normally I just do eyebrows and mascara, but we're not doing that today. We're gonna go full glam. Just kidding, we're still not doing full glam. I'm just putting like the basics on. But what are you doing right now? Are you doing your laundry? Are you washing your dishes? Are you sitting in bed? Are you doing homework while you're doing this? And while you're in bed slash standing up slash sitting at your desk slash in the bathroom, you might be like, Susan, your last video was literally talking about how you were going to college, and now you're talking about high school senior pictures. What are you doing? Are you just trying to get like clout or something? And answer is no. Well, maybe. Just kidding. No, it's no. But I'm doing dual enrollment, so I'm a high school senior, but I go to college classes full time, and I still need senior pictures because I just do, okay? And obviously this is not a makeup tutorial, clearly not James Charles, Jeffree Star, whatever. But what I was gonna say is I know you're supposed to start with like your primer and then go to foundation and concealer, but I always start with my eyes because I don't like having the eyeshadow fall out onto my foundation, and then if you try to like take off the eyeshadow that like is down here, then you're just taking off your highlighter. So for my outfit today, they were like, don't pick it out at the last minute, and what did I do? Pick it out last night, but that's okay. I'm just gonna wear like neutral, so I'm gonna wear gray and black, and then this like kind of fancy belt that's not really that fancy. No offense to anyone, but I just didn't really want to wear something like a floral dress because I don't like floral dresses. I didn't want to wear a white dress because I hate white dresses because it's not edgy enough for me. So I'll show you what I'm wearing in a bit, but that's what I was thinking. I don't even know if I know how to put on eyeshadow anymore. Like, I'm just kind of, at this point, I'm just kind of like smudging it on because I don't really care that much anymore. I feel like my makeup skills went like this, and then it went like this, you know, like a sine graph, cosine graph. I took math, but basically what I'm trying to say is that my makeup skill used to be like pretty good, and then all of a sudden once I stopped caring so much, then it kind of just like plateaued out, but that's okay. Okay, whatever, that's good enough. We're done with the eyeshadow. It looks okay. What time is it? Okay, we need to hurry up. We don't have that much time left, and I have to curl my hair too. Okay, another thing that I also have to do that's related to senior year is I have to pick out my senior quote. They're due tonight, and I literally don't have any ideas. Actually, that's not true. I don't have any school appropriate ideas. It's like I'm thinking Ariana Grande lyrics. The lyrics are my favorite Ariana Grande song, Monopoly, that just talks about like hard work. And I really wanted it to be, I've been on a roll, where you been? But I don't really know if, I feel like that's kind of mean. But also, like, it's my favorite song, and also Monopoly is my favorite board game too. So like, yikes. What was your senior quote? Comment down below. Or comment down what you think my senior quote should be. Or comment down what you would make your senior quote. Yeah. Oh, I've got half an hour. My eye is watering so much. See, I don't know how I used to put on like a full face of makeup like this every single day. Like that's what I did like I think sophomore year. Like, not a big deal. And I think I also was a lot faster at it too then than I am right now, but I just, what was I thinking? See, I like making these types of videos even though I don't do it that often because I feel like it's more just like a talk show thing, you know, where you and me are talking, we're having a fun little conversation about random stuff. I have this little Glossier sampler of this priming moisturizer and I need to use it up, so I probably should have read the directions. Just like watch this be wrong and like watch me if only supposed to put a tiny little bit of it on and then I'm like drenching my face in it. Tarte Shape Tape. Just kidding, that's not what I have. I have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, so you know we're halfway there to the iconic concealer. I really respect makeup artists because it's such an art and they're so good at it too. How could you it doesn't even look like real. I'm just like, whoa. It's just like, I don't know, what's another art? Like cake decorating. It's like the same thing. It's something that's like super cool that you wish you could do, but like I just like can't do it. Shout out to all MUAs. You are talented. And so are you who is watching this. You're also very talented. This foundation better be the right shade. It's looking a little too dark because I guess it was summertime when I picked out this and it's not really matching anymore. So let's not roast me. And we're driving like into the city too for this, so I think the pictures will look really cool. See, the shade fits in July, just not in the middle of winter time. Okay, Hoola bronzer. I'm not putting on blush either because I just don't like blush. Okay, I don't have time to wait. We're turning the heat up all the way. Okay, this is boring and I ran out of ideas to say, so I'm just gonna skip to when my hair is finished curling. Okay, boom, done. Honestly, that's not my best curling job I've ever seen, but it's fine. Let's change. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So here's the final outfit. We have these jeans from Urban Outfitters, this like sparkly belt from Urban Outfitters, this top from Brandy Melville, and then I have this coat, this big long coat, and then I have this sweater, which I'm gonna bring with me in case I want to throw it on over the turtleneck. So let's get going. So here are the final pictures because that's probably the only reason you wanted to click on this video in the first place, actually. You know, I don't know what you want to do, but here are the pictures anyway. Exciting, right? Yeah, so fun. But thanks for watching today's video. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down something funny below, and happy late Valentine's Day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!